So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from IEW, that is Institute for Excellence in Writing. And I wanted to give you a peek at this while I am looking at it for the first time. Some of these things I did mention in my curriculum picks, and there is one thing I forgot to mention. So stick around to see what that is. So this is just a first look at a few of the items that I'm using from IEW this upcoming school year. If you're new here, my name is Davine, and I am homeschooling 4 kids in the upcoming school year. They will be in 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th grade. And all of April, I was putting up my curriculum picks. So if you want to see those, I will put a playlist in the description box below. But let me show you a few of the things that I'm using from IEW this school year. Before I go any further, I just want to let you know that I will put links to these items in the description box below in case you're interested and you want to take a further look at any of them. All right, so let's see if this angle works a little better. So here's the box. I already cut it open, so you don't have to watch me do that. But here we go. So I have the packing slip on the top here. And then it looks like we have some magazines. So I have the Arts of Language, Magnum Opus magazine, a collection of great works by IEW students, and another Arts of Language. So I've never seen these before. I guess I'll take a look at those later. And so the first thing here is Windows to the World. So this is what my upcoming 9th grader will be doing. So I have the teacher manual and the student manual. I really don't know too much about this other than it will help with literary analysis. I was racking my brains so much this year trying to figure out what I wanted to do for writing for this upcoming 9th grader. And I said this in my curriculum picks video. I just woke up one day and I was scrolling on Facebook and someone was saying, hey, what should I use with my 9th grader? And a bunch of people were mentioning this and I hadn't really looked at it. So when I saw it was on literary analysis, I thought, well, we haven't done a lot of that and it might give us a little bit of break from writing, or at least it'll be a different type of writing. So I wanted to give that a try. So I have no idea how this is set up. I don't know how to implement it at all. So I will be doing some videos on all these things in the upcoming months to let you know what I figure out about this and give you a look inside. So let me know if you're interested in seeing any of these, and I can put a priority on making those videos first. All right, so I'm really excited about that, something different for my 9th grader. And I have Fix It Grammar, teacher manual, student manual. This is Mowgli and Shere Khan. This is book 4 or level 4. So I'll be doing a flip through of this so that people can get an idea of the level. I'm not exactly sure like what grades it's recommended for, but this is for my 9th grader as well. She just finished level 3 this year. So we're just gonna move into level 4. And the last thing in here, and I do have other IEW things I'll be using in the upcoming school year, but I'll be getting those from my parent partnership program, so I won't be purchasing those myself from IEW, and so these are the ones I can show you now. I won't show you those till later. So this is what I forgot to mention in our extras and elective video that came out a week or 2 ago. So this is Linguistic Development Through Poetry Memorization, a Mastery Learning Approach. I have been seeing people reviewing this. It just looked interesting to me. And so I wanted to give it a try. I do have some kids that struggle with memory, and I was thinking that we should work on some memory work just to try to strengthen that muscle. So this will be something that we do together as a group. What I do know about this is that it can be leveled, which is good because I have different students with different abilities. And yeah, so I'll be doing a look inside of this once I can look at it a little more and become more familiar with it myself. I will be doing a flip through to show you what I noticed about this before our school year starts. So those were the 3 things that I got from IEW. Come back again for another unboxing video that I'm actually going to go do right now, but it will be up in a few days or a week from now, and you'll want to see what that unboxing video has as well. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for coming today, and I hope to see you all in a future video. Bye, everyone.